Thank you for choosing Advanced Body Solutions for your fitness needs. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform a lawnmower start. We're going to start by standing with our feet shoulder width apart while holding a dumbbell out in front of the body. In one movement we're going to raise the dumbbell up to our shoulder, curl our wrist, and then press it towards the ceiling again. As we lower it, we want to follow the same direction, curling our wrist down and bringing it back to the starting position. Lawnmower starts are a great way to target the traps, but also to really work the rotator cuff muscle. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you need more diet and exercise tips, please check out our affiliate sites and follow us with the links provided at the bottom of this page.